We've got a straight piped John Cooper Works today. What the hell? Hang in there, buddy. We're going to the Autobahn. It's going to be loud today. See? What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Martijn. Max isn't here today. He's away for the weekend again. Not sure if I'm going to pay him this month, but today I'm taking a look at this mini John Cooper Works, which has been tuned by BR Performance, and it now has 300 horsepower. So should be fun, I think, and it has a crazy exhaust. So yeah, it's going to be loud today. So before we begin, I want you to subscribe and hit that notification bell, please. It would help us out so much. Even if you watch our videos every day, please subscribe and turn on these notifications. So let's get started. So it's a John Cooper Works. So as standard, it has 231 horsepower and 320 Newton meters, and it looks like this. Big wheels, big brakes. That's what really stands out with the John Cooper Works models. And this front bumper, really nice. I don't like these rims. I've said that before. I like the R series better than the F series. So the F series is a bit too Barbie for me. So these wheels are a perfect example, I think. In the past, with the R56, the John Cooper Works rims were really cool, like race derived, and this is, you know, it's all soft and curvy. I don't like it. It's a bit childish. They have fixed it with the new John Cooper Works models, but I would go for some like OZ Racing rims on this car. I think it would improve it a lot. So on the interior, we have these John Cooper Works seats. They look cool. They aren't really that cool because they're too wide and this cannot be adjusted. So they look very sporty, but you move around in them, which you shouldn't in a sports seat. Why is this not working? Okay. What the hell? Yeah, okay. Under the bonnet, you have to believe me, is a 2-liter turbo. It has a K&N open air filter and a Decad downpipe by Miltech. Then from that downpipe there is two options. There's one pipe with a muffler or a silencer that ends here, and there's another one that also ends here without any silencing. So we've got a straight piped John Cooper Works today. That's really cool. The exhaust, by the way, is from AC Schnitzer, which is the German pinnacle of BMW and mini tuning. So they say. Let's get in. I want to do some Autobahn testing. I forgot. I want to do some Autobahn testing in this video. And previously, like half an hour ago, I did an Autobahn run with this car, but I couldn't get a working GPS signal. There's something with this car that doesn't allow a GPS signal from the inside, so we have to test it from the outside. I don't know if you know, but Draghi has some magnets built in, and yeah, you can just stick it on a car. Not sure if it's going to work at 250, but we are going to find out. I'm going to leave it there, connect it to my phone, and we'll see what happens. If I lose signal, we know what happened. Okay, let's get in. Start it up. I still have that engine control light on, but you know, it performed quite well, so just going to ignore it. I'm going to charge my phone. Why not? I always regret it when I get the chance to charge my phone, and I don't, and at the end of the day I don't have any battery left. So yeah, here we go. So let's open the sunroof for some extra sound, and let's go. So today we have the automatic. This John Cooper Works is also available with a manual gearbox, but I've never seen one. That's really weird. Nobody's taking the manual. I would love to have the manual of this car, because I think the auto is boring. It's not like it's slow or anything, but it's not very engaging, you know. So when you use the pedals, it's not really quick, it's not really slow. It's right in the middle, and it's not very entertaining, I think. Part of the John Cooper Works driving experience is, I think, nimble driving, great sound, and a great gearbox, like with the R56. Well, it wasn't great, it was an entertaining gearbox. Yeah, it's a shame that no one's going for the Works with the manual gearbox. So with that out of the way, let's talk about performance. This is a huge step up from 231 horsepower to 300. That's 70 horsepower. I'm going to open the valves of the AC Schnitzer exhaust, and I'm going for sport mode. Ooh, draggy's still on. Woohoo! Hang in there, buddy. We're going to the Autobahn, and you really have to stick. So that's the exhaust without any silencing. It's pretty damn loud. See? Holy moly, that's so loud. Well, I'm stealing Max's catchphrases. Let's close it again. But Jesus Christ, what a sound! Those crackles and pops and bangs. They're actually pretty nice because they're not repetitive, and yeah, sometimes you get like a dirty bark from the exhaust. Absolutely love it. That's really what a John Cooper Works should be like, because as standard, these Works models, they don't produce, well, before the OPF they produced a good sound, but nothing more. With the John Cooper Works Pro exhaust, it's a magnificent sound, but after 2019 with the OPF, the sound is gone, like with many car models. Here we go. Ooh, you dirty boy. Jesus Christ. A lot of wheel spin because we only have front wheel drive. With the Clubman and the Countryman, you can get all four-wheel drive. That's like the mini version of a four-wheel drive system. It's called all four. But let's do a performance run and check out how fast this car actually is. So we have to go below 100 and floor it. Ooh, the upshift is... oh man, that's so aggressive. Jesus. Come on, hang in there. Keep sticking. Not going to overtake these cars, but that was a 12.37 from 100 to 200. So I don't know why that engine warning light is on, but this thing is performing like Jesus Christ. That's really, really fast. I'm going to put the link of the 100 to 200 scoreboard in the description, so you can check out for yourself how fast a 12.37 actually is. And to celebrate that draggy is still hanging on in the back, I'm going to give you a discount on it. A €15 discount and free shipping if you use the code STICK. Here we go, onwards to the top speed of this tuned Mini. As standard, the top speed is 247, and we are past that. Oh man, I have to brake here, and this is my exit, but I think it will do like 265, which is enough in such a small car. This thing weighs nearly 1200 kilos, so it's nearly 100 kilos heavier than the previous model, so it still isn't a heavyweight, but in a Mini I just want it to be as light as possible. And with the GP3 model, the GP model of this generation, they are putting it on a diet, and I'm really curious what it will be like, because this gen isn't as playful as the previous gen John Cooper Works, but it does offer a lot of practical value. You know, it's way better in terms of comfort and reliability. That was a big issue with the previous gen. So yeah, I really like this car, but in a different way, not in a playful way like with the R56. I have an R55 Clubman JCW, so I'm not really, I'm a bit biased maybe. Can we do another run? Think we can. Oh, only 80 allowed here. Okay, so I think that was it. No more runs today. So if you want to check out my John Cooper Works R55 video, click right here. If you want to subscribe to our channel, and please do, click here. And if you want a draggy GPS that's still in the back there, click right here and use that code STICK to get a discount. Bye guys.